If your period has gone MIA, that is missing in action for months, for years, no stress, no shame. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing powerful combo, natural combo that you can use. So many women have been using it, they might not tell you. Some of my clients have used it, they got results. Irrespective of your age, whether in your 20s, 30s, 40s, it will help bring out that your period naturally, sometimes instantly, or it might just take you a few days, okay? Welcome back to NK Fertility Solutions, where we talk everything pregnancy, fertility, and your holistic living. Is it not when you see your period that you talk about getting pregnant? Many women that are struggling to get pregnant, they're not even seeing their period. So today, I'm here to bridge that gap so you can start seeing your period. First, why do women suffer from cyst period? We know that yes, hormonal issues are there, certain conditions like PCOS, certain conditions like thyroid issues, being overweight, poor diet, chronic stress, day in, day out, you are stressed out, you are not nourishing your body, you prefer to eat anyhow. It will affect your hormones and in turn, shut down your period. When you are anemic also, HIV, hepatitis, these things, they impact your blood production. So that way, the little blood that your body have, you wouldn't want to shed it as a period, okay? So today, we are going to be getting back our period. If you're ready, drop in the comment section, I'm getting back my period. I am getting it back. So we are going to be needing just 4 items. Can you imagine? Just 4 items that are not expensive, that are not time consuming to prepare. So the number 1 on my list is parsley leaves. These parsley leaves, you can get the natural one or you can get the dried ones that are in form of spice, okay? Parsley leaves is more than spice. Oh my God, it's a natural, powerful compound that helps to stimulate your womb. So get it. I'm going to tell you how to use it. Second item you need is hibiscus leaves, commonly known as the zobo leaves. Yes, I actually have made a video before how you can recover your period, but I didn't put some of the items listed here because there are many ways you can kill a rat, and I'm here to diversify options for you. Some that your period have ceased and it has been stubborn, this particular combo will work. If the initial remedy didn't work for you, this one will work. After you have gotten your hibiscus leaves, get on to get your ginger, okay? Get your orange, okay? Get your orange. So how are we going to use this? For 1 liter, the 1 liter is like you're preparing the big ever water portion. So for that, you only need 3 adult spoon measurements of parsley leaves. 3 adult spoon measurements of parsley leaves. If you have the fresh leaf type, okay, you know it normally comes like in a strand like this. So you're going to be using about 5 of it. If it's the dried one, 3 measurements, okay. Put it in a pot. Then a handful of hibiscus leaves into the pot for the 1 liter, okay. Then 2 cloves or 2, how do they call this ginger thing now? 2 rhizomes, 2 ginger, okay, 2 ginger, okay, 2 ginger. Then the oranges, is not, I did not say lemon or lime, I said oranges, okay. The oranges for that 1 liter, the amount you need is just 3. Is just 3. Why do we even need these ingredients? Let's start with what they can do for you. For example, we're starting with parsley leaves. Parsley leaves contains pure myristicin. It's a natural compound that helps stimulate uterine contractions and promote menstruation. Why are we using hibiscus leaf? That's zobo leaf. Hibiscus leaves is more than a refreshing drink. It is known to support hormonal balance and increase blood flow to the pelvic region. One woman told me, oh, I just saw somebody selling zobo and I drank it. That immediately she drank that zobo, her period started coming. She was like, what happened? I told her, you don't know that zobo can help you push out your period. It's not just a refreshing drink. Oh my God, it is amazing for your hormones, for your menstrual cycle. Then what can ginger do for you in this journey? Ginger helps the circulatory system. It warms the womb, it reduces inflammation, and it can help your body naturally initiate menstruation. Then the oranges, what are they meant to help you? The oranges are very, very rich in vitamin C. At least everybody knows that. It's not a new news, okay? The vitamin C helps to reduce excess estrogen and support progesterone production. That is the hormone you need for a healthy period. Many times, you are not seeing your period because there is no healthy estrogen and progesterone balance. You have more estrogen. You have low progesterone. That is a sign that your egg quality is poor. You are not ovulating well.
With this combo, you are able to start to restore that. How do you take it? It must be taking warm. It's not cold. It's not refrigerating it. That 1 liter can serve you for like 5 days. It must be taking warm. Just measure with a small cup measurement, morning and night. Don't be surprised that you will not even finish that 1 liter and your period will come out. All I ask of you is don't swallow the testimony. Come back here and say it worked, because it will work. Whether you're in your 40s, it will work. As long as you have not officially entered menopause, it's gonna work for you. So as you're doing this natural combo, I would love you to actually practice some lifestyle modifications. Stop all the sugary consumption. We can't overemphasize this. Girl, stop it, okay? Stop stuffing your body with processed carbs, okay? Stop stressing yourself. Make out time to rejuvenate, laugh, smile, have positive conversations that uplift your spirit. Exercise, move your body. Exercise. If you can skip, if you can walk, if you can run, if you can dance, if you can jump. Just make sure you are not sedentary, okay? Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Vegetables are there. Those amazing fruits, walnuts, apples, pineapple, oh my God, cucumber, banana, coconut, almond nuts, flaxseed. Focus on them. Foods that are in the natural state that God made them. These are foods that we say that they contain life. Those processed foods are dead foods. They are dead foods. You don't want to be giving your body dead foods. Which life will you not give your body? So when you eat foods that are in their natural state, it gives your body life. It revitalizes you. Who doesn't want to be there? Let me know in the comment section if you're dealing with cis period, how long it has been, or you have further questions, concerns about your menstrual health. Remember, I make videos on fertility, pregnancy, and your holistic living. Anchor Fertility Solutions is here to help. He wish above all things that you and I prosper and be in amazing health, even as our soul prospereth. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm going to see you in the other side of victory. Bye-bye.